Hello. So today I'll be giving a short demo on the MonsieurMeteo prototype. The prototype is hosted on Heroku at monsieurmeteo.herokuapp.com. So this is web interface for the prototype, and it provides weather for the next 4 days, weather forecast for the next 4 days for Burkina Faso. So the current location has been set to Burkina Faso. So today is Sunday. So the system provides forecast for tomorrow, which is Monday, then Tuesday, then Wednesday, then Thursday. So for tomorrow, which is Monday, the weather is forecasted to be clear skies. So there's not going to be rain. The general weather is clear skies with no rain. Then the temperature is going to be warm. So that means not too hot. So then on Tuesday, we have clear skies. Then the temperature is going to be very hot. So hot at 31 degrees Celsius. Then the wind is 5.72 meter per second. Then humidity is around 56%. Then for Wednesday, we have the forecast is moderate rain. So the weather is going to be warm too at 24 degrees Celsius. Then wind is 2 meters per second. Then humidity 100%. Then for Thursday, there's still going to be moderate rain, and it's going to be warm, and the temperature is at 23 degrees Celsius. Then the wind and humidity. So for each days, the user has the option to select a crop and get weather-based information. So for all the days, the user can select and get weather-based crop advice. So let's say for tomorrow, the user can select. So there are currently two crops on the system. We have sorghum and maize. So we have user select sorghum, submit. Then the user can get some information that is currently available in the system. So this is an advice that is provided by the system. It tells the user that based on the predicted weather, the user is advised not to plant any seeds as it might damage the seeds. So the weather is too hot and it might damage the seeds. Then for Tuesday, currently there's no information here. So that means no advice has been added for this weather condition. So for the current weather condition. Then Wednesday, so advice has also been added based on the temperature of 24 degrees Celsius. Then on Thursday, no advice has been added, so it's blank. So for tomorrow, let's select the next crop, which is maize. So submit. So this is blank as well. So no information has been added for maize with the predicted weather condition. None for Tuesday as well. Then for Wednesday, something has been added for maize. So some information has been added for the user for maize. Then on Thursday, there's also some information. So in order to add this information, the admin user can actually log into the system. So before we go there, so the other information available is posts. So the user can have access to posts to different kind of posts. So this post is I think this post is about pests. This post is about pets. Then this one is about diseases. Then this is about how to plant sorghum. So when the user clicks on it, the user can actually see the text of the post. So you can click on this, then see like information on the post. So in order to add new posts, then also add new weather information. So the admin user has access to log in to the system. So the admin user has the option to log into the system. So weather forecasts. So the admin user can go to the back end. So at manage, the admin user can click on manage rules. So in the manage rules section, you can see different types of, you can see current rules in the system. Then you can also edit them. So you can either edit or you can add new rule. So before adding new rule, we should look at, so let's say we want to add new rule for weather. So in order to test it, let's check the weather for tomorrow. So the weather, let's say the wind for tomorrow is predicted to be 5.5 meter per second. So we're going to add a new rule for weather. So to be able to give the user advice when the wind, new rule for wind. So it can give the user advice when the wind is at a certain value. So let's select sorghum, then we select wind. So let's say when the wind is greater than 4 meters per second, then the advice should be so this is a strong wind. Strong wind. You are advised to protect your crop. So submit. So now new rule added. So once the user selects, so for tomorrow, once the user select let's say this user selects sorghum, then submit, then the new rule that was just added will be seen. So because the predicted weather is greater than 4, which is at 5.5 meters per second, this advice is shown to the user. So to also manage posts, like add new posts, the user can go to manage posts, so you can edit existing post or add a new post. So let's say hello. This so you add this is a test post added by to test the so let's click on submit. So now the new information we added has been updated, as we added shows here on the post. So we click on hello, then we see the information that that was added. So once the user logs out, and let's say once the admin user logs out and goes to home, then also goes to posts, then the new post that was added will be here. Then on the home page, so for tomorrow, if you select sorghum, submit, then the new advice that was added would also show. So whatever the user adds at the back end would also reflect on the front end. So that is it for the demo.